Oh god, this is gonna be a disaster. Hello, welcome back to my bathroom. This is my little evil bean, Sesame! So obviously my hair is going through a time. I feel like I don't really need to explain this, but we're still in quarantine. I've been in quarantine for almost 3 months, so I haven't done my hair for 3 months, and it's really it's really getting there. So today I have a new concept, which is the louder my hair is, hopefully the more it will distract from my 3 months worth of roots. So I'm actually really excited for this. So I have 3 different colors of dye that I already pre-mixed into these jars. So I have blue, and I have a pink, and I also have purple. So I'm going to try to do a triple ombre, and I think I'm going to do purple at the top, blue in the middle, and then pink at the tips. I thought I would challenge myself because yeah, we're in quarantine. I mean, again, what else do I have to do? Because I literally have nothing to do. My first 1/3 is going to go to like the top of my ear. I think I only need to do the top layer of my head because these bottom layers kind of start below my ears, so I can probably just do like the blue and then the pink. I don't know if that's the right call. I hope it is, but honestly, I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going in with my first color. It does look really dark, which does scare me a little bit, but I followed a formula that my stylist recommended, and actually going on, it doesn't look like super pitch dark, so hopefully it's gonna be okay. And I don't know if I'm supposed to like drag it down or something. I don't know, that seems like that could be a thing. Honestly, it feels good. I feel like this is going well. Ooh! I feel like it looks good already. Ooh. Okay, this is already going way worse. This side is... Okay, this side is pulled down way more than it's supposed to. Maybe if I wash it out. Okay, the gloves are not working for me. I can't work with them because it's like spreading the dye around more when I wore them to prevent that. So I am just going to continue to use my hands, and hopefully it's gonna be okay, but we'll see. Ah! Okay, so for some reason it's already going really bad. I already got this purple everywhere where it's not supposed to be. I already got it on my carpet too, so that's really fun. Hopefully the blue can kind of like mask it a little bit. And then I'm gonna dye my bangs fully purple. You know, I feel like it's actually going kind of horrible. Like, I don't know what I expected, but I expected it to be easier than this. The purple and the blue dyes are really liquidy because of the mask that I used in them. So I'm kind of scared to use the brush because it's just gonna fling everything again. So I'm just gonna use my hand and no brush and no gloves because I think that's also spreading it everywhere. Let's just go for it. Oh my god! This is gonna be a disaster. So I'm just taking very tiny amounts and I'm just brushing it in. And it looks really dark, but it's going to wash out, supposedly pastel blue. I was going to tell you guys about like how life has been and stuff like that, but I think I don't think I have it in me right now. It is literally taking every ounce of concentration for me to make this look at least like kind of okay, but it seems like it's doing better. I mean, for one, not using the brush is definitely making it easier. I don't know. Oh god, that was such a disaster. Oh god, this piece is definitely fucked up. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. Hopefully the blue covers it. Dude, what if like one side of my head just looks like super fucked up? So the last thing I have is this pink, and this is actually going to be like a nice, quiet, chill time because I have worked with this specific dye before and I know that it's just like a chill, happy, peaceful time that will not betray me. This is the time that I envisioned, not like the panic. This blue better wash out pastel because it is not what I'm going for. So I just really quickly reapplied on the tips of my hair a brighter pink. So I just mixed in some extra red dye that I was so lucky to just have around. So this is it. Unfortunately, I have this entire knot of hair to still do. Okay, so I'm gonna just do this as quickly as I possibly can. Okay.
You look great.
I'm struggling so much. Look at that.
Let me do the laundry.
Really? Wait, really? Do you think it'll come out? Thank you, goodbye. I have so much dye all over my body, it's horrific. I'm so out of breath. Okay, I did it, I'm done. So I'm just going to rinse this out really quick and hopefully it's not terrible. It's purple. It is literally just different shitty shades of purple. What an absolute waste of time. I think that when I washed the purple at the top, it immediately started blending into every single color in the bottom. It's purple. It is just purple. I failed. I don't want to talk about it. Goodbye.